Hi guys, welcome back, and today I'm going to show you how to make this large piece of art using larger sticks. Now I normally use smaller sticks in all my different creations that I've made, so if you want to check out the rest of my channel you're free to do so. But this was really easy and simple to make, so I just wanted to show you guys. If you have no confidence or you think that, oh, I can't do that, I want you to have a go at it. You can make a smaller one to start off with so you can have a go. But this was just made out of thin pieces of card, lots of sticks, a glue gun, 2 paper clips and a shoelace. So keep watching and I'll show you how to make it. First of all is that you need to get your cardboard shape. Now I've got this size because I'm going to put it in my living room, but if you prefer you can use a smaller piece of cardboard. Next is to get lots and lots of different size sticks which are completely dry. There's lots of different shapes and colours on these which will make it more interesting. Place down your 2 little paper clips either side. This is what's going to help you hang it up with. Make a small incision where your paper clip's going to go through. Bend it just a little and then place through the hole. And using your shoelace, thread through both sides. And tie a knot. Thanks for watching, and I hope you've enjoyed the video and it's given you a little bit of confidence so you can have a go yourself. Remember, you can always start off with a smaller star first. I was thinking about painting this, so if you leave a comment below to say yes paint it or don't paint it, I'd really appreciate that because I'm in 2 minds whether to do it or not. If you've enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up, and if you'd like to subscribe to my channel then press the subscribe button and a little notification bell, and that will let you know when I've made my next creation.